All right, now for the flight that I've been waiting for a while. This is the H-King Corsair on a set of little tiny cute skis. It is very windy, as you can hear. Maybe not the most advisable flying conditions for the little Corsair, but we're gonna try it out, right? So CG does work out. I am running a 3S800 battery pack, and it should go. I will check. I probably won't use the stabilizer initially, and I'll probably be flying into the sun for a tiny bit, unfortunately, because that's just how it goes around here this time of year. It's March. I was expecting it to be a lot better based on how nice February was, but boy was I wrong. Ooh. It's deep. It's still deep. It's still up to all those benches. All right. Oh. I'm going out a little further because there's obviously a lot of tracks, and I want a good spot, a good surface to land on. I think this is going to be great to start off from. All right. Little Corsair on skis. Honestly, it's a Canadian thing. Trust me on this. I know what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that view. I tell you, I want to come back out here with the OMP planes next time and fly and do that approach. I just love this approach. We're flying the Corsair. This should get a little bit of everything. Well, let's hope this works out. I'm Andre, and this is the H-King Corsair. I love the looks of this airplane, and of course I put this thing on skis just because I had to try it out here in the winter. So I've got a 3S800 in here, flying it with a DSMX 6-channel receiver. Don't know if this is going to work out, but I had to simply try it. So I'm Andre, H-King Corsair. Let's fly. I really wish we had the weather we had in February, believe it or not. Okay, before all my cameras shut down again, would love to have put an onboard camera on this thing, but I think it would have been too much. So I have modified mine slightly. XC30 connector, took away a little foam so I could jam that 3S 800 right to the very front of the fuselage. Let's see if I'll slide it out. You can see it. Oh, there it is. This guy. So it's an 800. It's just 20C, but all the way to the front, it CGs really nicely. So, and your CG marks are here. And what I'll do, in the wind, it might be kind of fun, but with the skis on, it does actually CG. Just letting it do its little configuration. Yeah, got it. Got my controls, beautiful. I'm gonna put the canopy on, and then I'll show you the CG really quick before this flight. Again, those little marker points, reference points here into the wind, and ta-da! CG on for playing with skis. Again, I'm gonna check the wind, because I noticed on my last flight with the other big planes, it was very touchy. So, a little loose snow. That way. So we're gonna take off into the sun. I really don't know what it's gonna do. I'm hoping it flies really smooth and happy. I don't think, I'm gonna run this up, and I'm gonna very quickly, oh, it moves really well actually. Okay. And then I think, no. It's this one here. That's all right. That's what I want. Off, then a little assistance, and then a lot of assistance. So we're gonna try it with off, see how it feels. I'll go to my medium rates because I really don't know what it's gonna do and how it's gonna behave. And I'm leery of the snow and all that other jazz, but gotta try it, gotta fly. It's not wind chill cold, but it's still got some bite to it. You gotta be mindful of your fingers and everything out here, because you could get frostbite, which would suck. Okay. All right, this thing could work. I'm gonna back this up so we get this on this camera, and then we're gonna we're gonna have some fun and see how it goes. Okay. I keep falling into the snow. I want to stand here. All right. HobbyKing H-King Corsair. Let's see how this goes. Oh, ooh, interesting. Okay. It's really directional, and the skis are gonna blow it, and the wind's gonna blow it. Don't want to blow it. All right. Okay, it's definitely pushing in its own path. All right. Might bypass this spot here and give me some more snow right here because I got lots of open snow. It's all right. Now the camera will pick up all kinds of fun afterwards. All right, HobbyKing into the wind, H-King Corsair. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Oh my God. Up she goes. Oh, wonderful. Wow, that thing goes fast. I'm on my medium rates. No gyro. Don't hit the tree, Russo. Up. Okay, so elevator. Could use a little bit more punch on my elevator. But, oh wow, that was some takeoff. Wow. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm using a lot of elevator. So that rate will definitely be changed afterwards. Could also be this guy's fingers are so numb now. The elevator could use a little bit more authority, but here she comes, whistling death over the tree. The wind is pushing me around a lot, but oh my goodness. I was not expecting this plane to be this good. All right, so I am using a ton of up elevator on the backdrop into the wind, so I gotta watch that. That headwind, once it gets into the headwind, it just comes down. I think I got my timer set for only a few minutes, and I'm not gonna go far. This will not be a long flight based on the wind and the conditions and everything. But if you were wondering, could a warbird fly on skis? And the answer is a yes. And it comes in, it settles in really nice. It's got a good little bit of response. I'm turning around here. I'm trying to fly past the camera, but the wind grabs it and goes. I mean, it's just a small little airplane too. Oh, that's funny. That made me laugh. Good. Beautiful. That 20C packs, they're gonna like, hey, what are you doing, man? Lovely. And this is without the stabilizer. I will try and fly the stabilizer, but today, well, okay, so it's doing a little bit of work in the wind, but I don't have the full assist on, and I prefer not to have it on based on the wind. I want me to be in control. All right. That's so cool. All right, I'm gonna try and bring this thing around and get ready for a landing. I feel my ball cap slipping off my head in the wind. I'm gonna lose it here in a sec, so we're gonna lose footage. All right, let's just land this thing and do another approach. Oh, that was great. All right. We'll do that one more time. Oh, that was hilarious. Oh, that was so good. Okay, let's do that again. We'll do another landing, another touch and go since I lost my cap on that last approach. All right, ready? Got another minute. Again, I'm gonna try the higher rates. That's really good on takeoff, actually, with the skis. That's pretty amazing. I'm happy with that one. All right, let's bring this thing into another touch and go landing. So I'm flying on the high rates now because I wanted just a little bit more elevator authority. And it's actually pretty nice. It slows down really good too. Oh. That camera won't see that. I don't want to break my prop either. Gotta be careful on that prop. Okay, I'm gonna try and bring it in right to that camera. HobbyKing H-King Corsair. Oh, you can feel it. The high rates, you can really see the wings do the little dips. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, of course, the wind's picking up really big time now. All right, one more approach. Cut in through these trees instead, and then bring it right to the camera. That is awesome. I'm Andre, this is the H-King Corsair. I was not expecting that much fun out of this airplane, but holy moly, on skis! What a plane! Can't wait to try the stabilization when it's a little nicer, a little less windy, but on 3S800, it did fantastic. Again, I'm Andre, H-King Corsair. Thanks for watching. Slows down really good too. The high rates, you can really see the wings do a little dip. So let's try that one more time.